Greetings, welcome to Electro Talk. What is Electro Talk? It is an interactive session with leaders and faculties of Electronics and Communication Engineering Department from School of Engineering, MIT ADT University. So today we have with us Monika S. Bhoyar ma'am. She is faculty in Electronics and Communication Engineering Department. Ma'am, welcome first of all.
Thank you.
So can you please tell us what are the career opportunities available for our students of Electronics and Communication Engineering?
First of all, I would like to thank SCIL team for giving us this opportunity. And then coming to the question, see, first of all, we should understand what importance electronics makes in our society. See, from the starting of the day, the first thing that you see in your life or today in the morning is the mobile phones. It's an electronic gadget.
True.
Electronics have become so important part of our life, our society. Everywhere we are surrounded by electronic. So how could you ignore electronics in your career?
Exactly, ma'am. Exactly.
Right? So coming back to the placement scenarios,
Yes, ma'am.
electronics is a core branch, as it is said. But as the time has changed, coding has also become a very important part of electronics.
True.
So core and coding is electronics now.
Wonderful.
Okay. Yes. So our students who are electronic students they can try for core companies, and even they can try for software companies. The companies mostly, when we look for the placement scenarios, among the 100 companies, the IT companies, when they come for placement, 60 companies from the IT sectors, they allow the electronic students also to sit for,
Amazing.
Yes. Then they slowly decrease. Okay, the first 40 will only go for software companies, but you have your 60 IT companies also for electronics. And when the core company comes, they will only allow electronics and mechanical. So you have less competition. When I was in industry, I was doing coding there, and I was doing it very successfully because the clients that we had were electronics company, and I could easily map their needs with our coding. So that is how electronics engineers work. When you talk about placement, among 100 IT companies, if they come for placement, 60 to 70 companies will allow electronic students also to sit. Right? So the competition for CS and IT student will increase. But when the core companies are coming, they will only allow the electronics students to sit for that. And then the competition is less for electronic students. So you see, the area is so vast for electronics engineers. Even if you talk about the private sectors, the government sectors, or even the electronic students can give the exam of IES or GATE, but CSIT students won't be able to. Means they can, but they have to give it in another way. They have to read the electronic subjects, right? So
True, ma'am.
the placements, or you talk about the future is really bright. And in coming years, you can see the time is changing. Earlier, we had very less manufacturing companies in electronics department or in electronics sector. But now, as the ban is there in Chinese product, there are many startups that are growing, and lot of manufacturing units are growing in India. So that will increase the area for our electronic student. Not only for CSIT, but for electronic student also, they will get lot many core companies for placements.
True, ma'am. Very true. Thank you so much for the knowledge sharing. I'm sure all of our students are looking forward to be mentored by you.
Yes, sure.
And thank you so much for your time as well.
Thank you, ma'am.